In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel automatic renewal of AdsPower. To get started, open AdsPower and log in to your account. Once you're signed in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main dashboard so it's easier to follow the next steps. After that, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the billing section. Click on it to open your subscription and payment details. This is the area where AdsPower shows information about your current plan, including whether you have an active subscription and when that plan is scheduled to end. Once you're inside the billing page, you should be able to see your active plan along with the plan's end date. This is helpful because it lets you confirm exactly when your current subscription period will expire. In the same section, look for the auto renewal setting. There should be a toggle next to it that shows whether automatic renewal is currently turned on or off. If the toggle is turned on, simply click it to switch auto renewal off. That action should stop the plan from renewing automatically at the end of the current billing cycle. It's a good idea to double check the setting afterward to make sure the change has been applied successfully. Now, just a quick note for clarity. If there isn't an active plan on the account, this option may not be visible in the same way. In this example, there may not be an active subscription available to demonstrate directly, but if you do have a current plan, these are the correct steps to follow. And that's it. Once auto renewal is turned off, your AdsPower plan should remain active until the current end date, but it should not renew again automatically after that.